I'm going to show you how to convert PDF tables into Excel with Acrobat. So to get started, you have to open Acrobat and then open your file from here. So I'm just going to create one sample, and then from there just have to go to export a PDF, and then from here you just have to select on Microsoft Excel. So you can see in the Microsoft Excel on the left pane right there, just have to click on this one. And then you can choose it with whether XLSM or XLM or XML. So since you want it to be on an Excel, you just have to click on XLSX. And then from there, just have to click on convert to XLSX, which is Excel. So from there, you just have to wait and then click on convert. So from there, you just have to input the name and then the location where you wanted to send this one or to save the file. Once you selected the file or location, it will just automatically save in there. And then to check if it's already done, you can just open the file where you save it. So I'm just gonna open the location. So from here, you just have to save and then check it, wait for initializing export engine. And then once you're done with that, you just have to click on the file. And once done, you just have to open the file and then wait for it to open to see if it's already converted into Excel. So you can fill it up or convert this one, or you can type in or edit via Excel. So we'll just wait to load this up and then it will just show here. So as you can see, it's already converted into a PDF Excel, Microsoft Excel. So from there you can now edit. So that's it. That's how to convert PDF tables to Excel with Acrobat.